Welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to implement Admob Native Ads. But you cannot implement native ads in WebView. So I'm just going to show you an example how you can implement, but they cannot be implemented in WebView. And our app is WebView, but let me just show you how you can do it to implement it maybe anywhere in any other app. For example, I'm going to create a new activity here, new empty views activity, main activity 3. Main activity 3. I'm going to give you the codes for native ads, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. Let's wait for a minute. Still building. We are going to use this file here. We are going to use this file here, and I'm going to leave this file in the description. The link is going to be there. But remember, you cannot implement native ads in a web app. Maybe if there is a way, but this is how you can create, maybe in other apps, but I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to do native ads. Now, what you have to put in your mind is here, this space here, this is above on create. This is on create. Inside the on create is this one. From here up to this is inside on create. Outside on create, it is this one, this space. Understand? Above on create, inside on create, outside on create. Okay, let's do this. What we are going to do, let me close this up, open, close. We close manifest and we close my application. Okay, split this. What we are going to first do, let's go to our file. The first instruction is go to strings and paste this. Let's copy this, Ctrl C, and we come here, where to strings. To go to strings, you go to values, expand values, strings is here. Strings is here, open strings. Then from here come here and paste it here. Control V. This is the ID. This is the test ID. Test ID for. This is the test ID for native ad. So this one, we have finished this one. We can close it. Then we go to our file. Where is it? It is here. They are saying create a layout. Add native. Let me take it, copy it from here. Copy this, only this layout. Add native. It should be like this as it is here. Add native. Let us create the layout. You come to layout, right click on the layout, new layout resource, Control V. I paste it here. Add native. Say OK. Now this is our add native layout. From here we go back to our file and we copy this code here. From here going down until you meet the two lines, up to two lines, up to here. Don't go beyond here. You stop here and say Control C, copy. From here up to here, and paste it here in add native. You have to first delete this. Control V. Let me see. Yeah, this is the add native. Then we can close this. What next? We go back to our file. They are saying paste this where you want your native ad to be shown. We copy this and paste where we want our native ad to be shown. I want my native ad to be shown here. Where is this? To be shown in the main activity 3. Let me first create something here. They say this to linear layout. This is our main activity 3. Orientation, vertical, gravity, center. Now we come here. They have said we copy this, Control C, and paste it where you want it to be shown. I want my ad to be shown in this main activity 3. Control V. After, you go back to our file. Next, do this. First, paste this. They are saying first paste this above on create. They want this. Copy, Control C. Paste this above on create. Above on create in the main activity 3, because I want to use main activity 3 to show my native ad. I'm going to paste it here. This is above. This is on create, but above on create. Control V. We go back. Second, paste this inside on create. Copy, Control C, on create. Let us import this. Take the first one. Control V. load native ads. This is the loading method. You have to load. We go back. Copy, this is the third. Copy the code below and paste it outside on create. Outside the on create. Then we copy from here until you see the 2 lines. We go copy all of this up to here. Up to here. Copy. Control C. Control C. That is how we've copied. Yeah. Then we go back. This is the outside on create here. This is outside. Then Control V. You paste. Too much errors. Let me see. Starting from load native ad. Load native ad. Why is it like this? This should be load native ad. This, not ads. It should be like this one, like this. If you add S, it goes back to red. No, it should be like this. It should be like this one here. Load native ad. Let me check this. Load native ad. Okay, let's start importing this. Import class. Import class. You point your cursor there and say import class. Import class. Video options. Import class. Import class. Take the first one. Add listener. Import class. This one. Import toast. Import class night. Now this is, remove this and put main activity 3. This you put main activity 3. That's what I'm using. And here import class. Text view. Import class view. Import class button. Import class image view. Import class. Continue rating bar. Import class objects. Import class. Import class. Remove this and put main activity 3 because I'm using main activity 3. Main activity 3. This timer. When this is the timer, when the native ad should refresh, it refresh at 60,000, which means 60 seconds, 1 minute. After 1 minute it refreshes. Timer. Okay, let's add this on backup paste. When you leave the activity, this mnative ad should equal to to null. It should equal to null. Okay, and the timer should be cancelled. You cancel the timer when leaving your app. When you press the back button, we say timer cancel timer, because this timer, if you don't cancel it, it will keep on refreshing every after 1 minute. Even if you leave the app, it will refresh again. So it's better you cancel it when you press the back button. Okay, and the last one is, we come here, paste this inside application in the manifest. We copy this, copy, you go to your manifest, this is the application, inside the application, Ctrl V, hardware accelerated, that is how it is. Let's try again and we see. Let's run our app. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, this is main activity 3. Let me change this first screen. Let me change my first screen to be main activity 3, and my main activity 3 should be main activity. I want my app to start with this main activity 3, just to show you that this has worked. The native ad has worked. I cannot implement it in WebView. I'm just showing you how you can do it, to implement it in any other app apart from WebView. So I'm going to make my app to start with the main activity 3. This is the launching activity. I want it to be the main activity, the first screen. Okay, let's run the app and we see. You see, now this is what we call the native ad. After 60 seconds, let me reduce these seconds. Main activity 3, let me make it maybe 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will refresh. Wait. You see this? It refreshes after 1 minute. Now I've changed it to 10 seconds just to show you how it works. You see, loaded. After 10 seconds, it's going to load again. It's going to refresh. 10 seconds has finished, has loaded again. It loads another ad. After another 10 seconds, it loads again. You see, it has changed the ad. Now, let's try to see. Let's try video natives. This is for video. This ID. Control C. We go to strings. This is the ID for a native. Control V. I paste this and run again, and we see this is for video. We are testing video. We are testing native ads for video. Video native ads. You see, this is the native video ads. Yeah, that is how it works. But native ads cannot be implemented in WebView. I don't know if there is a way, but me, I don't know. But this is how you can implement it in any other app. Okay, we turn back, we change this back. This is our first screen. Let me take it back. Main activity, and this one becomes main activity 3. And our time should not be less than 60 seconds. Should be 60 seconds and above. 60 seconds. These are seconds. Okay, that's how we can implement. That's how we can implement native ads. We meet in the next video. I'm going to leave even the, what do we call it, the source code for this app in the description. Yeah, I will leave the source code in the description. You can download it anytime. Thanks for watching.